Welcome to Upstar Plus. Recent developments demand that images should be loaded asynchronously and only when needed. Page speed plays an important role in SEO, sales, and ultimately business success. According to stats, customers wait for only 3 seconds for a page to load. Images take considerable time in loading, so let's improve how we use images in website. I am going to create a snippet for image so that I don't have to remember it whenever I need image in website. Search for snippet generator tool and you will find this tool. This is image tag with new attributes: loading, lazy, decoding, async. I will name it snip img. Image tag snippet. This is description. This is the trigger. We need additional attribute in img tag for lazy loading and async support. The loading attribute specifies whether a browser should load an image immediately or to defer loading of images until the user scrolls near them. The decoding property of the image represents a hint given to the browser on how it should decode the image. Async value means to decode the image asynchronously to reduce delay in presenting other content. While images will be loading, other web content won't be affected. Do not ignore these two attributes. Make this mandatory for all images in your website. We named this snippet. We used this code. This is our snippet. We need it for Visual Studio Code, and I will copy the snippet from here, and this is Visual Studio Code. I will go to file and then preferences, user snippets, and here I can see my snippets file, my snippets.code dash snippets global. If you don't have snippets file already created in Visual Studio Code, you can create by clicking this new global snippet file. I already have got one, so I will click here, and these are my snippets. I have got a lot of snippets here. So this file starts from here. I will go to end and I will use comma here and paste that snippet here. And the trigger is snip dash image. I will copy this. I will save this file. I will close this snippets settings file. Open new file. And I will type snip and select snip dash image img, and here I have got this, and I can use HTML snippet to generate HTML for this web page, and here I will use snip, and here are my snippets. Snip img, click, and here is the image tag with new attributes: loading, lazy, decoding, async. In this way, images won't affect other content while loading. Also, they will be loaded when they will be needed at web page. Your website will be considerably fast and page speed score will improve. Okay, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.